Bulletin: please stand by for important weather message. The National Weather Service in Gravity City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Oakton until 9:15 p.m. MDT. At 8:55 p.m. MDT, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oakton West, or 11 miles northwest of Bossville, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and ping pong ball size hail source, radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakton and Bossville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.